Good morning guys, in front of me is LG L7 and let me show you how to perform a hard reset of this device. So at first open the settings, then scroll all the way down and select the backup and reset. Here you will notice factory data reset, and if you truly want to erase all data from your phone, like account information, system error data, downloaded apps, DRM licenses, music, and all other user data, just click on Reset Phone. Confirm it by tapping on Erase Everything and tap on OK. Now wait till it's done. It may take a couple of minutes. And now you just have to set up your device from scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.